Hi, I'm Jess. Once your new made-to-measure blinds have arrived, it's the exciting part. Time to get them fitted and see just how fantastic they look in your home. Fitting your new day and night blind is simple and easy with Blinds Direct. When you receive your order, you will find the following in the box: your new day and night blind, a P-clip safety device, all the appropriate fixings and brackets, plus, if you have chosen to add them during your order, bracket covers. You'll also need a drill, a crosshead screwdriver, and a pencil. Today we're going to be fitting our blind inside the recess of this window. To get started, we take one of the two fixing brackets and hold it where we want to fit our blind. Your fixing brackets will differ depending on whether you have opted for a top fixing or face fixing blind, so will either look like this or like this. One thing we're going to bear in mind when doing this is to make sure that the brackets are far enough away from the window to ensure the blind will not hit any handles or hinges when the blind is fitted and extended. Now we're happy with how our bracket is placed, we can mark its position through these holes with a pencil. Repeating this process on the other side. Taking our drill with an appropriate drill bit, we can now drill through our markings. For this part, you may want to use a pair of safety goggles to make sure you're extra safe. With our holes made, we can slot in rule plugs if necessary. Using the longest screws provided, we can now secure the brackets in place. Our brackets are now safely secured, so we can start to fit our blind. If you have purchased bracket covers, these can now be slotted onto the ends of your day and night blind, like so. If we take a look at the top of the headrail, we can see there are two lips running down the centre. The thinner of the two is known as the front lip. What we have to do is hook this front lip under the front cradle of the bracket. We then firmly push the headrail and it will snap onto the back cradle. Now we can carefully let go and our blind is locked securely in place. Finally, to make this blind fully child-safe, we can use this P-clip safety device. All we need to do is mark out where we want it, making sure it's in line with our control cord. Then we just drill and attach in place, threading our cord through the bottom of the P-clip. As you can see, our control chain and cord are taut but can maneuver easily. There we have it. We've now got our new day and night blind fitted and looking beautiful. And it was just that easy. If you need any further advice or guidance, our knowledgeable team of interior design experts and customer services at Blinds Direct are always happy to help.